Now let us look at the determiners few, a few, the few in sentence usage. What is the meaning of few? Few means not many. Few means not many, and it has a negative meaning. A few, he has a few books left in the library. A few books, that means hardly any number. Now, a few means at least some. A few. He has a few books left in the library. That means the number is not bad. That's positive. I have a few books left in the library. I have a few fruits to last through the week. Now, the few, when you say the few, you are specifying. It means not many at all. It has both, again, positive, negative meaning. He lost the few friends he had. He has hardly, that means hardly had any, not many friends, just few friends. So he lost the few friends he had. That means he has no friends now. Okay? So we are going to look at the determiners few, a few, the few. We're going to look at the determiners few, a few, and the few in the sentence usage. Okay? Few, a few, and the few. What is the meaning of few? Few means not many and has a negative meaning. Few. Few means we are looking at the few, the first word, first determiner. Few means not many. Few means not many and has a negative meaning. Let's look at the sentence. He has few books left in the library. Let's look at the sentence. He has few books. He has few books. That means hardly any number. Not many, just few. He has few books left in his library. In his library. What is the meaning of few? Few means not many. He has few books left in the library. Next, let's look at a few. Let's look at a few. A few means some at least. Some at least. It has a positive meaning. It has a positive meaning. Let's look at the sentence. I have a few books left in the library, at least some. Okay? I have A few. A few. I have a few books left in my library. In the first, we have few. Few means not many. He has few books left in his library. Hardly any. In the second, few means some at least. I have a few books left in my library. So there is some at least. Then, now we are going to look at the few. We are going to look at the few. What is the meaning? The few. The few means not many. The few means not many. It has both positive and negative meanings. Positive and negative meanings. Let's look at the sentence. He lost the few friends he had. He lost. He didn't have many friends, just few. Even that. He lost. He lost the few friends. He lost the few friends. He lost the few friends he had. Friends he had. That is positive and negative. What does it mean? In positive, it means he lost all the friends he had. So we are looking at when it is positive. When you're talking about positive, what does it mean? It means he lost all his friends. He lost all his friends. All the friends he had. He lost all the friends. All the friends he had. Okay, let's look at the negative. The friends he had were not many. The friends, now we are looking at negative. When you say negative, it says the friends he had. The friends, that's what it means. The friends he had. He had were not many. Were not many. Okay, that is the meaning of the few. We are looking at the few. What is the meaning of the few? The few means not many. The few means not many. It has got both positive and negative meaning. He lost the few friends he had. Positive, it means he lost all the friends he had. Negative, it means the friends he had were not many. So we are looking at the determiners few, a few, the few. Few means not many. Few means not many. He has it has a negative meaning. He has few books left in the library, or he has few books left in the library, or he has few fruits left in the fridge, whatever. A few means, when you talk about a few, means some at least. Some at least. It has got a positive meaning. I have a few books left in my library. I have a few fruits left in my fridge. I have a few. That means some. Or I can say, I have a few good friends. Now, the few means not many. It has got both negative and positive meaning here. He lost the few friends he had. He lost all the friends he had, or the friends he had were not many. So, meaning. It means the. The means not many. Few means some at least. Few means just not so many. A few friends, a few books, a few fruits, a few. When you say the few, here not so many, the few. That means you have few friends. That's why you say the. Particularly, you mean that group of friends. That, the few.